Hi, I'm Marin Hanson, Curator of International Collections at the International Quilt Museum here at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. And I want to share some quilts with you made by Emiko Toda Loeb, a Japanese quilt maker who splits her time between Kyoto, Japan, and New York City. Over the last several decades, Emiko Toda Loeb has been developing a double-sided log cabin technique, which results in some really fantastic quilts. For instance, in this case, you can see she's got some beautiful arcing, sweeping shapes that she's created by using various different hues and different values in her fabrics. Beautiful circular shapes there. And when you go around to the other side, you get a whole other set of circular, sweeping, arcing shapes, plus some linear shapes. And for instance, in this one, you have one set of stars, sort of a take on variable stars and 8-pointed stars, very linear, but then you come over here and you get these really wonderful sort of amoeba-like shapes that seem to be swirling and moving around, and with the same echo of some stars at the top, similar to the other side. So Emiko Toda Loeb's quilts, which are here on display, here at the Quilt Museum. You should come see them. Some really fantastic artistry, some fine craftsmanship, and also if you come to the museum for our free First Friday in October, you can hear her speak about her quilts, but you can also watch her do a demonstration so that you can appreciate the complexity of her technique. When you come see her exhibition, you'll also be able to see some of her drawings, because of course, to do a double-sided log cabin takes an incredible amount of planning. So she has the entire quilt planned out on first this one side and then the other. So she knows precisely what fabric is going on either side of the quilt as she's simultaneously making these log cabin blocks.